Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, and this is a very important day for me. Last night, I ended up not cooking. I just wasn't up to it. I've been working so hard on the urban spice blend, all those goodies. So, I'm carrying the chicken over from last night into today's meal, which is testing the Garam Masala that I blended just the other day. Let's take a look. Got some hardware going. Good old non-stick skillet and a good old Dutch oven. Chicken, and I'm using boneless, skinless breasts. We have ghee and garlic. Gotta have garlic. Kosher salt, black pepper. I'm either going to use this yellow onion or a red onion. I haven't decided yet. I have both. These are some yellow potatoes. My former wife always liked to put potatoes in her meals. So that's kind of an homage to her. Baby Bella mushrooms, which I'll slice. I'm going to add some snap peas. And there it is. The Garam Masala by the Casual Chef. And I'll be adding just a little bit of turmeric, because turmeric is typically not in the masala. So there it is. And we'll have some assortment of flatbreads. Yummies. So on this Sunday, and by the way, it was pretty dead at the grocery store this morning. Next week, because we have the Sikh parade on Sunday, next Sunday, we will be doing our shopping on Saturday because Bel Air gets surrounded and blocked off, and so we'll be doing our shopping a day early. Don't forget, next weekend is the time change. Fall back 1 hour. All right. On this beautiful Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.